If you're thinking about going solar, you might have heard of Goodleap. They're a financing company that partners with local solar installers to offer loans or leases for home solar systems, all without paying upfront. That makes it easier to go green if you don't want to drop tens of thousands all at once. But here's the deal. Goodleap doesn't install the panels themselves, so your actual experience depends on the local company they send. Also, some users complain about high-pressure sales tactics and confusing contract terms, so always read the fine print before signing anything. So, should you use Goodleap? If you don't want to pay cash and are looking for financing options, yes, it's worth exploring. But shop around first, check reviews, and make sure you understand the loan or lease terms. Let me know if you used Goodleap for solar. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.